one of the things that we've observed about Southeast Asia is that there was an unprecedented amount of dry powder that was raised over the last couple of years in venture capital. In 2021, that figure was looming at something like 8 billion, and it's just increased over that period of time. As a result of that, there's just a lot more capital available to take startups through the rounds as they continue to raise. Yes, there's a little bit more apprehension in investing. Yes, the pace has slowed down, but it's not so drastic as we're seeing in other parts of the world, just because of the availability that's lying around in funds that have been raised and that need to be deployed.
All right, let's drill down and talk about one of your holdings, Grab, which we've already mentioned, right? Launching overnight a mapping service. Stock popped big time, 15.5% or so. It could actually do with the help because, I mean, since listing, obviously, as you know, it hasn't really done so well. How do you view the launch of the mapping service? Because obviously you've got Google with a commanding position still. You've got TomTom of the Netherlands as well. How is Grab's service going to stack up?
Well, first off, of course, we're happy with the performance of Grab. And also, we've had 3 IPOs over here in Southeast Asia over the last 10 months, and hopefully many more to come in the coming years. The way that we see it is that we are long-term investors. We're not swayed by the vicissitudes of what's happening in the market on a daily basis. And we're bullish on the long-term prospects of platforms like Grab. If we think about the sheer consumer base that a business like that has and the reach it has, and the number of times you open it up, whether it is to book a cab, whether it's to order food, now for financial services and even groceries, adding a service like Maps makes sense because of the utility that the app already has and just how addicted consumers are and how essential it is to their daily functioning. It's just one more thing in that horizontal suite of services that a phenomenal company like Grab is going to offer.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.